Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry meat tender. First, always slice your meat thinly against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making it easier to chew. Next, marinate your meat with a small amount of baking soda for 15 to 30 minutes. This alkaline ingredient helps to break down the meat's proteins. Finally, coat the meat with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to create a protective barrier, locking in moisture during cooking. To achieve truly tender stir-fry, combine your baking soda with a liquid marinade, such as soy sauce or rice wine. This helps distribute the tenderizing agent evenly. Adding a small amount of oil to your marinade also helps coat the meat, preventing it from sticking together in the wok. Let the meat marinate for at least 30 minutes, but avoid over-marinating, as it can change the texture too much. When it's time to cook, ensure your wok is very hot. Cook the meat in small batches to maintain that high temperature, which is crucial for a good sear. Overcrowding the wok will lower the temperature, causing the meat to steam instead of fry, resulting in a tougher texture. Sear each batch quickly, just until it's cooked through, then remove it before adding your vegetables. For the best results, reintroduce your perfectly tender meat at the very end of the stir-fry process, after your vegetables are cooked. Toss it gently with your sauce and vegetables for just a brief moment to warm it through without overcooking. This ensures the meat remains juicy and tender. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.